حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا عليه وآله. Like a moon set sail on the heaven sea, through the dark night riding on the lightning-steed. The one born of earth strides the heavens field, and peace on him and his family. And the stars give thanks and the moon did weep, as its beauty paled before the Hashimi. Oh, what sun or moon can compare to him? Send peace on him and his family. Balagha العلا بجماله كشف الدجى بجماله حسنت جميع خصاله صلوا